Hello guys, in this video we're going to learn about fields involved in robotics. So, what fields are involved in robotics? First of all, electrical and electronics engineering. So, these engineers work with the circuitry of the robots. Then we have computer science. Computer science people program the robots so that the robots can think or take a decision. Then we have the mechanical engineering, who creates the designs for the dynamics of the robot. How is the robot going to move, or what kind of wheels are going to be there, or if it's going to be a legged robot. All the motions, everything, dimensions, is a robot going to be the lightweight robot or heavyweight? What purpose is it going to be? So mechanical engineering deals with all the designs. Then we have biotechnology, where robots are getting inspiration from all the natural entities. So there are many more fields you can look up on Google, or you can subscribe here to our channel and let us know in comments if you'd like to make any suggestions. Thank you so much guys, have a great day.